Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is exciting to share because it is very high paying and really only requires like customer service type skills. No college degree is needed. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company is Osmind. Now, they are a mental health company. They only have 9 reviews on Glassdoor, so of course I have this page linked down below. You might want to do your own research on the company, but out of those 9 reviews, they have a 5.0 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer operations associate. Now, this is remote full-time for the United States. Again, they are a mental health company. They have a premier platform for clinicians and researchers advancing new life-saving mental health treatments. They say today mental health disorders are one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and so they are trying to help physicians and stuff with different developments to treat mental health diseases. They are basically looking for somebody to assist with the design and rollout of their tech-driven automation solutions to effectively serve their customers at scale. You'll provide strategic and tactical support to the customer teams, working closely with leadership to aid in the objective of providing high-quality customer support to the customers while meeting goals and objectives. You'll help analyze the team workflows and provide recommendations to improve efficiency. You'll assist with working with customers on life cycle touch points, especially during their onboarding and post-graduation renewals. So you'll focus your efforts on defining customer workflows in the post-sales life cycle, writing and improving processes to improve the overall customer experience levels. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who's 2 years in an external facing customer role. So 2 years of that customer service experience. Someone who can be a process thinker and use systemized processing. Someone who has the ability to learn quickly, understand, and have a passion for the healthcare industry. Someone who is a people person and can enjoy the direct interaction with customers. Of course, you have to have that great written and verbal communication skills. And someone who can be a self-starter and have great technical knowledge. Now, if that sounds like you, pay for this position is anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $100,000 a year. And of course, on top of that, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments or any feedback you have for me or things that I could do differently on this channel to improve. Leave those down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.